Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you. We're looking to first Dow Jones. You can see 35,800 um, performance from this year, 20%. And if you look here to the chart, you can recognize that we are coming to the end, because I think if you look here, this only a retest or from this, and we will fail. Then the next move is to 34,000. And if you look to the whole picture from February, June, and October, you can recognize that this year it's only a retest from this year. So this will also fall. Yeah. And if you take the 5 years, then you can recognize that we have theoretical fall to this area of 25,000 or 28,000. Yeah. And you can see in the 5 years we have 100% rising, and this will also affect um, because we have a good rising, and I think we will come back to these levels. Why I'm showing you this, yeah, because I want to show you that we are coming in the markets in the end, also at the gold price. If you look here to the gold price, then you can recognize that we have here also this triangle, and the triangle gets closer and closer, yeah. So I'm not thinking that we have the energy to go here to these levels back. This is too late. Yeah, the fall is beginning, and you can see that we are really here on these points. Yeah, you can see, you can now argument, okay, we're touching this one time, two time, three time. I don't not believe in that. We have too negative structure here. I think we have the possibility to go to these levels, maybe 800, and then the next level is to go to these levels. Yeah, as you can see, gold will fall. Now we could look into Bitcoin price, and we can recognize also here the retest is also positive. We make here retest. So some of you would now argument and would say, okay, we have here our structure, this, yeah, in which we could say, okay, we have here our structure. Let's look, let's make this. And now the argument from the Moon Boys and others would say, okay, the triangle, and we break this to the top side, and now we have the possibility to go here to 66,000 or something like that. I would say no, because we have here a clear structure. So my target here is if the walls stretch this formation, then I think then the formation has power to go here to 61,100. Yeah. So I think the stretch position in which the walls can stretch is this here. This is the last area in which the how can I say, the walls can stretch the formation to the top side. Yeah. But this is the last edge that they can do. In my opinion, what I think, yeah, if I look to this here, this chart here, then I would say that we have here the situation that we move here in the last act. That means we will go here to the downside. We could make this move, yeah. It's not so that we have to make this move, but I can imagine that the walls can stretch this to this level. So yeah, so if you asking me, if I look here to this picture with the RSI, then I would say this is the end. Yeah, you can see clearly that this here is not a rising. Yeah, then we will see here a little bit down. We have a good formation here, So we could reach here the 61,000, but I not believe, maybe, yeah. I would say that we will stop here, exact at 59,000. So I give here Bitcoin a little bit puffer, yeah. So I think that 2 or 3,000 we could give um, a Bitcoin here. So, but the whole picture sees in that case that we have here a long-term trend to the top side, yeah, and we have here this gap. Yeah, this gap um, will filled by a Bitcoin. The price will go here to the downside. An interesting thing is the next negative formation is here. So if the price is coming down, then I think we have the energy to go here to 40,000. Yeah, because we have here also a long-term trend to the downside. So you understand what I mean? We have here a positive trend line to the top side. We have a negative trend line to the downside. And I think the price of Bitcoin will come here down. Let's make this a red. So the next is green. We make this green. So I think the price will come here down, make here retest, something like that. Yeah. We could also test here the 56,000, 55,000. But then I think I see really not the chance for Bitcoin to go to the top side. I think then the blue line will start and we will go to 30,000. Yeah. But you can see this channel is very aggressive to the downside. So I would say we could make here a small test to this level, but direction is clear. We will landing here at 10,000. Yeah. So I think this is a possible way that the price of Bitcoin fall to the downside. What clear is this is my strategy one. Strategy two is that the price comes directly to the downside because the next support um, is 40,000. That is clear. Uh, we could fall here from 58,000 to 40,000. And then I think we have the possibility to go also sideways. Yeah, that what you see here is then this here. And then this will not happen. Then I would say we have the possibility to fall direct. So these two possibilities we have. Yeah, um, we could take this way or could take this way. But I'm honest to you, I would prefer this way because I see signs here that the price will go here to 40,000. So I would say if we go directly to 40,000, then I think this is more real that we get something like that. Makes sense because 38,000, 43,000, yeah, and then the price is falling.